In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit a photo on Snapchat. Okay, so there are different ways of how you can go about editing a photo that you took with Snapchat or from your camera roll. So to explain this, I'll just take a quick snap and then you can see the options on the right hand side. You can add different text elements and you can draw on your snap and all of that kind of stuff. Now, if I go back out of this and disregard this, what I can do is go to my memories by tapping on that memories button on the left hand side of the record button. Tap on that. That's going to take you to the different snaps that you have saved. So let's just say I want to take this photo and edit it. You can see the 3 vertical dots at the top right of the screen. Tap on that, and then at the bottom there it says edit snap, and you can go about doing the same thing, adding text, drawing on it, stickers, music, and so on. And you can go back and you can do the same thing with your camera roll and your stories. So that would be how you can go about editing photos on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.